Forget the presidential election that happened because Lewis Hamilton had his Ferrari inauguration at Maranello right next to a Ferrari F40. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Lewis is in Ferrari. A new era begins, and this is his first day in Maranello as an official driver of the prancing horse. Now, for Lewis Hamilton, the 7-time Formula One world champion showed up to Ferrari in a classy suit for a souvenir photo in front of Enzo's Ferrari's residence/office at the Fiorano track with a splendid Ferrari F40 behind him. Now, there couldn't have been a better entrance into a universe of the Reds. Now, the team principal, Frederic Vasseur, and CEO, Benedetto Vigna, were the host. Now, the move to the most beloved team in the world has been a dream long pursued by Hamilton, and now the world champion has finally managed to take his place. Now, I think his career in the World Grand Prix might end here, and to know that you will probably retire at Ferrari, that's got to be a good thing. The goal is to do so in the brightest way, though, with one more world champion success. Now, it would be the icing on the cake for him, who was the most successful driver in the history of the circus. Now, with Michael Schumacher, the English driver shares the milestone of 7 driver titles. His, instead, is the absolute record in terms of victories, podiums, pole positions, and points in the specialty. Now, Lewis is one of the greatest drivers of all time. His passion for sports cars are immense, and the supercar he loves more than all the others is the Ferrari F40, even if it is missing from his garage. Now, it could soon fill the void. He was the one who chose it for the photo of his entrance to the kingdom of the commander, a fact that denotes a great sense of taste and also a strong historical culture, this being the last Rosso born when Enzo Ferrari was still alive. Now, it can be considered sort of a spiritual testament of the commander for the celebratory value he assigned off to the model, which he loves so much, and no one has ever loved and understood Ferrari as much as the founder. No one ever will love and understand it as much as he did, and in choosing the F40, Lewis Hamilton wanted to pay homage to the legend with an iconic model which best interprets the history of the brand, a history that the English driver wants to make even brighter. Well, at least most of us hope so. Now, during his tour at the facilities at Fiorano, Hamilton introduced himself to the team and met with Piero Ferrari, who is Enzo Ferrari's sole surviving son. Now, Hamilton said in quotes, "There are some days that you know you'll remember forever, and today, my first day as a Scuderia Ferrari HP driver, is one of those days." Now, he also added, "I've been lucky enough to have achieved things in my career I never thought possible, but part of me has always held on to that dream of racing in red. I couldn't be happier to realize that dream today." To add to that statement, he also said in quotes, "I'm incredibly grateful to John Elkann, Benedetto Vigna, and Fred Vasseur, and everyone at Ferrari for their trust in me and making me part of this family. I'm also excited to start this new era and to meet and work with a hugely talented and inspiring group of people. I'm dedicated to bringing everything I have to deliver for the team, the wider organization, and the fans. Today, we start a new chapter in the history of this iconic team, and I can't wait to see what story we will write together." Now, Hamilton will be involved in the technical meetings and briefings ahead of the potential test on Wednesday, driving Ferrari's 2023 Challenger, the SF23, which won the Singapore Grand Prix in the hands of Carlos Sainz. Now, Sainz's former teammate, Charles Leclerc, will be Hamilton's partner for 2025. And it's fair to say that the level of anticipation around Hamilton's test hasn't been seen since another world champion arrived through the sacred gates of Maranello, and that is Michael Schumacher himself. So with that said, what do you guys think about Ferrari's chances in Formula One for the 2025 season? Can the 7-time world champion bring them to a championship, gain his 8th championship, and become the best driver of all time? Drop those comments down below. Do you think they can take on Red Bull and McLaren? I want to know. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. I appreciate that extra love. Thank you so much, guys. You guys can also subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.